Ahoy there, friends! Today we're going to be drawing a pirate.
Let's begin by drawing a really wide U shape for the head. Then we can draw a big pirate hat. Over here we'll draw the arms. And be sure to draw lightly so you can erase when you need to. These lines are for the torso. Also, when you want to make a correction, it's usually easiest to draw the new line first and then erase the old line that you don't need anymore. These are cuffs on the gloves. And here is the pirate's belt and his hands. Here we're going to give this pirate a nice long coat. Now I'm going to add an ascot, which is a type of necktie. Here I'm going to draw a nice big belt buckle. And here we can draw his pants, which are going to come to the knee. I think I'm going to give my pirate a peg leg. Now let's draw the face. Add any last-minute details that you'd like. You could draw a parrot on your pirate's shoulder. I'm going to draw my pirate saying something. My pirate is saying, "Arrrr." What would your pirate say?
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Comment below and let us know what your pirate would say. I'd love to hear about it. Also, click subscribe for more art videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.